finish. Okay, pull the mat away with your bar. Let's work on your foot. Do you need to drink water? Drink water. And then we came back. Drink water. Okay. I have question, Heidi. You not okay. Okay. Everybody, let's start work. Okay, so we do this. Okay, we do turn in, turn out first. Okay. Okay. Keep your toes together first. Hold on a second. Find music. Slow down your music. Ready? Just follow me, okay? Toes open. Hold still. Okay? Tailbone have to push forward. Feel hip muscle. Tighten up. Beautiful. Close. Good. We open again, okay? Feel your tailbone forward. Open. Stay there. Don't move. So keep your knees straight. Tailbone forward, stomach hold in, and upper body forwards, okay? Don't lean back like that. Upper body forward. Right now we plie. Hold still. Feel your tailbone. If your tailbone like this, please adjust. And straight. One more time. Plie. And straight. Good. Right now. Rail away and heel down. Again, rail away and heel down. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 8 more. Go. Up. Up. Heel push forwards, okay? Go up. Almost. Yes. Right now, plie, hold, relax, and up. Good. Right now, we do this, okay? So, toes forwards, like that. Okay? Look at from the side, okay? Like this. Your heel and toes together, okay? Good. So, right now, we work on the fixed position, okay? So, like this, Peggy, okay? Yes, face front, okay? So, right now, back leg cannot move. Open as much as you can. You don't need all the way to the front. If you cannot, you can stay here, it's okay too. You do your maximum, okay, ready? 5, 6. Go. As much as you can on the 5th. Stay. Hold there. Don't move. 2 more counts. Straight your knee, tailbone forward. Right now, close. Get ready again, okay? Go, open. Stay. Fixed position, don't move. Hold there. Did you push your tailbone forwards? Yes. And one last time. Close. Okay, the back foot cannot move at all. Turn as much as you can. Stay. Go turn. Good. Yes. Hold almost down. And finish. Thank you. Relax. 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 Okay. So listen. Everything you do, your tailbone cannot relax. That's all your turn on energy came from. Pushing your tailbone forward. Hip muscle very tight. Okay. So right now we continue work on turn out. Okay. So we do first position. Yes. Okay. So right now we turn you to the side. Okay. And then we turn in. Okay. So feel your tailbone first. Right now, push your heel forward, turn out as much as you can. Feel more. Feel the hip. Feel the hip. Stay there. Don't move. Don't move. And give you a relaxed second position, please. And push your upper back. First position, please. And up. We will do one more time, okay? Ready? Turn you to the side. Turn in. And turn out. As much as you can. Stay there. Tailbone. Feel your tailbone. Feel your hip. Stay. 2 more counts. No, 8 more counts. Hold. Push heel forward. Feel the hip. Almost. Right now, second position, please. Deeper until you feel your heels stretched. Hip has to push forward. Up. Push. First position, please. Very good. Okay, right now we just do a relay. One leg, 16 times. One leg, 16 times. Ready? Okay, the music give you a little faster music. And so little bit. Go. 1, 2, 16, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. Heel down all the way. Heel down. High. Other side. Fast. 1 count each. 1. Up. 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 And finish. Okay, stretch back, girls. Stretch back. Sorry. Stretch back. Stay. Go low. On our side, stretch back. Hold. And finish. Okay, right now we continue work on 10 outs. Today we work on 10 outs, okay? Very simple, easy, okay? So start from first position, we just turn your front. You just round to the side, okay? And then you hold here. Listen, this is very slow, okay? So you use 4 counts from here. The moment you to the side, you use 4 counts to the side. Very slow. I need you really feel the tailbone. Keep a nice 10 out, okay? Watch me here. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5 start. 5, 6, 7, and 8. You hold there, don't move. Okay? Can make a heel push forward more, will be better. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we continue.